impulsive, with a powerful desire, with a strong determination, and with a commitment to yourself. You can find ways to achieve your goals. This award is given to all the pupils who has a general average of 90 to 94%. The second category is the with high honors, given to all the pupils who got an average of 95 to 97%. Let us witness the honor pupils of grade 1A under the advisory of Eliza. Avelino Ralph with honors. The special award as Legal Teacher Award, Eager Giver, Collaborative, Discipline, Fast Tongue, Extra Meyer, Cheerful Soul, and Happy Helper Award. Weekly Sergeant B with honors. The special award as Eager Giver, Collaborative Kid, Peacemaker, Determined Kid, Happy Helper, Fast Tongue Award, Collaborative Award, Batang Masigasig Award. Rosa Rizal May P with honors. The special award as Eager Giver, Disiplinado Ako, Batang Masigasig, Enthusiastic Learner, Determined Kid, and Collaborative Kid Award. And also an Extra Minor Award. Montes Divine Faith G with honors. With special award as Determined Kid, Batang Magalang, Batang Masigasig, Collaborative Kid, Eager Giver, Little Teacher, Purchase Kid, and Kaya Ko Award. Bernito Nathaniel M with honors. The special award as Eager Giver, Extra Miler, Fast Talk Award, Honest Kid Award, and Enthusiastic Learner Award. Saluting Chloe P with honors. With special award as Patient Advocate, Happy Helper Award, Batang Asahan, Exuberant Heart, Disiplinado Ako, Eager Giver, Friendly Neighbor, Extra Miler, and Purchase Kid Award. Simborio Isaiah Josh P with honors. Special award, Masigasig, Batang Masigasig, Happy Helper, Collaborative, Enthusiastic Learner, and Eager Giver Award. Congratulations, Grade 1A Honor Pupils and Parents. Now let's proceed to the Honor Pupils of Grade 1B under the advisory of Mrs. Elaine B.T. Salvacion. Aliyah Abukayon with honors. With special award as Batang Maasahan, Happy Helper, Disiplinado Ako, Determined Kid, and Purchase Kid Award. Prize Nation BT with honors. With special award as Happy Helper, Determined Kid, Collaborative Kid, and Eager Giver Award. Rickson Maglupan with honors. Special award as Enthusiastic Learner, Eager Giver Award, Happy Helper, Determined Kid, Collaborative Kid, Batang Maasahan, and Extra Minor Award. Prince DJ V. Tagaro with honors. Special award, Eager Giver, and Determined Kid Award. Hannah May and Torrimeva with honors. Special award as Disiplinado Ako, Patience Advocate Award, Batang Maasahan, Caregiver and Happy Helper Award. Now let's proceed to the honor pupils of grade 2A under the advisory of Mrs. Mercy A. Sarde. With high honors, Gregorio Chris Luis with special award as most honest learner, most courteous learner, best in neatness, friendly neighbor, and happy helper award. Nambatang Aquiles Alden, with high honors, a special award as best in creativity, most obedient learners, best in initiative, and batang maaasahan. Salise Agnesio Main, with high honors, a special award as most helpful classmate, best in teamwork, most responsible pupil, young senior award, and little teacher award. Caritas Diana April with honors, special award as Disciplinado Ako Award, best in self-discipline, exuberant heart award. Kaiblet Patrick Vincent D. with honors, a special award as respectful learners, most generous pupil, and the chess player award.